Et coucou YouTube. Coucou YouTube, on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour le- la réaction du live stream de la Luna 3 de Genshin Impact, ou représenté bien sûr par la magnifique picture de Columbina. On peut y voir Durin, Varka, Scaramouche. Intéressant qu'il y aura Scaramouche ici. Bah oui, parce que Scaramouche Durin, c'est vrai qu'à Similanka, ils avaient un. Comment dire, une relation très amicale, très fusionnelle. Donc il y aura Loma, bien sûr, Arlecchino et Sandrone. Ça va être un bon patch plutôt sympa. Bien sûr, après 5 ans d'attente de Durin, il est enfin là. Je vais essayer de l'avoir, mais voilà. J'y crois à mort, bien sûr. J'y crois à mort, et puis bon. Vrai de vrai. Et je pense qu'en plus de ça, bon, déjà, je pense que Durin a déjà pas mal d'informations sur Alice et probablement Reine Daughter. Mais aussi le côté genre pouvoir cacher avec le Durin à l'intérieur de lui, ou encore le comment dire, euh, aussi on aura peut-être une cutscene avec une petite Alice en révélation. Ce serait plutôt sympa, mais après à voir. D'ailleurs, c'est quand même ce qui est marrant que Scaramouche soit là, c'est-à-dire qu'ils vont potentiellement l'introduire pour la Luna 4. C'est la dernière Archon Quest techniquement de l'histoire. Donc ça veut dire que y aura peut-être Dotoré à la Luna 4. Bon, après j'avais des suspicions comme quoi Dotoré il arrêtait là. Vous vous rappelez à la fin de l'acte 4, au niveau de la porte il y a eu des bruits, mais et que Nefer elle croyait que c'était une hallucination, et que littéralement j'ai dit je suis persuadé que c'est Dotoré qui n'est pas dans le monde réel mais dans une sorte de distorsion, et que c'est uniquement Nefer qui l'a entendu parce que du coup elle qui a voyagé du coup à travers Sumiru avec son truc, et bah du coup ça a peut-être créé une corrélation entre les deux. Donc je pense que là on va pas tarder à sûrement voir Dotori qui va brûler l'Irminsul, causant, causant ainsi la enfin, détruisant ainsi cette fausse vérité dans le ciel, et puis du coup l'apparition des Shades, sûrement fin acte 4, ou peut-être quand il y aura Alice, l'un des deux. Et ça va être très cool. Hop. Je suis en train de prendre mon petit déjeuner en même temps. Mm. Et voilà, est-ce que vous allez pull d'urine après 5 ans d'attente? Moi j'ai juste peur que... En fait j'ai envie de pull d'urine, mais sauf qu'après il y a Colomina, et Colomina c'est ma goat. Et du coup j'ai peur de pas avoir assez, ne serait-ce que pour pull elle et son arme. Je serais un peu deg. On verra, hein, de toute façon. Hein. Peut-être que Kenshi sera gentil et qu'il me donnera une early pity. Mm. Mais du coup, comme j'ai pu expliquer précédemment sur live, c'est juste que j'avais énormément de problèmes familiales. Du coup, j'ai pas pu ne serait-ce que ploder ou même jouer des gages à Genshin. entre ma mère qui était à l'hôpital, etc. Donc, voilà. Si vous n'aviez pas de upload par exemple de Silk Song, eh ben c'est normal. Parce que d'ailleurs, attendez. Hop, hop, hop. Ce compte qui est dédié uniquement à YouTube Genshin. Le tournoi de jeu d'ailleurs. Ah, j'ai pas mis l'acte 4. Faut que je mette l'acte 4. Ce serait con que je le. Ce serait con que je le mette pas. Donc voilà, je vais savoir. Mais en tout cas, je la mets. En plus, je l'ai mis en. Je l'ai téléchargé en 8K, l'acte 4. Hein. Autant vous dire que le pot doit mettre 10 ans. Bon, hein, qui est considéré comme 4K du coup, la 8K. FF. Ah merde, c'est vrai que celui-là, faut pas que je le mette. Est-ce qu'il est. Bannissable. Hein. Pas les DMCA ou trucs comme ça. Hop. Ah, c'est bon. Hop. Je reviens, je retire juste tout le bazar. Ça va là. Bah tiens d'ailleurs, pour vous donner un ordre d'idée de pourquoi j'étais pas en stream. Je sais pas si vous vous rappelez, mais à un moment donné, je crois que j'avais fait un stream, je crois que c'était le dernier stream où j'avais vraiment une toux assez sévère. Et ben ça s'est empiré. Vraiment, parfois, c'est à la limite du vomi ou encore de la respiration coupée. Ah, c'était chaotique. Mais bon. Hop. Ta Colombina, qu'est-ce qu'elle est belle. Hein. J'ai vraiment hâte de voir son kit. Hein. Quand bien sûr, il y aura le live stream. Pas de spoil ici. Bon, par contre, ici, on n'est pas des obsédés. Hop. Ah, Aurora, hein, la goat. Vraiment, vraiment hâte. En train de supporter des petits créateurs. Columina pose reminds me of Naruto. C'est marrant qu'on peut voir maintenant des commentaires ici alors qu'il est en live. C'est rigolo. Voilà. Ah putain. C'est vrai que j'ai toujours pas fait aussi l'événement de Layla. Bon, je vous avoue, je pense pas que je vais le stream ou même Dieu me le faire tant que j'ai la flemme. Mais on y croit. On y croit et puis bon. Voilà quoi. En fait, j'arrive même pas à lancer le second compte. Faudrait que je le fasse, hein, mais. Oh! Oh! Oh, magnifique! Nouvelle picture. Oh, trop mignon. Trop albédo. Enfin, c'est un peu un voile de souvenirs des 4 personnes les plus importantes, je suppose. Albedo, Paimon Aether, Paimon avec son petit dessin trop mignon. Et Scaramouche, bien sûr. Très très belle. Franchement. En plus, vous avez vu là, Oyoverse enfin, MiHoYo, du coup, quand ils sont en train de balancer des jeux après jeux. Là, là ils ont prévu 2 nouveaux jeux, mais cette fois-ci en Unreal Engine 5. Je trouve ça dire graphiquement magnifique. Où t'en as un qui est fantasy, l'autre qui est action, je sais pas quoi. Action open world. Ensuite, t'as Petite Planète, t'as Horizon Nexus Anima. Non, Honkai Nexus Anima. Moi, je suis parmi tout ça, j'ai joué à Honkai Nexus Anima, vu que techniquement, c'est un lore direct enfin, à Genshin, à Honkai Star Rail, Honkai Impact. Et puis, de ce que j'ai vu, le gameplay, ça fait un petit peu TFT-like, et je suis pas inconnu de TFT. Mais très très cool la photo là, vraiment. J'aime beaucoup. C'est marrant cette petite représentation de Paimon et comme ça là, ça me rappelle un peu le teaser qu'ils ont fait pour l'animé. Putain d'ailleurs l'animé, je sais pas qu'on aura un peu plus de news, hein. Même si techniquement de ce que j'ai entendu dire, ça arrivera en 2027. Mais, mais quelle musique épique quoi. Ah bah tiens. Juste regarder eux là. Voir s'ils ont la traduction française directe. Hein. Indisponible pour ce contenu, ah d'accord. Bah rip. Et bah rip. Puis de toute façon, il y a des pubs sur Twitch, donc je ne préfère pas. Imaginez, là, je sais pas, Durin se fait poignarder et paf, la pub. Ce serait le seum, ça. Mm. Et puis réellement, en vrai, tout ce qui s'est passé aussi en termes de drama et autres, moi, ça m'a juste démoralisé au plus haut point sur l'humanité des gens. Mm. C'est terrible, hein. Quand t'arrives pas à soigner ton âme, qu'est-ce que tu te prends des bombardements d'émotions, des, euh, des drames à la con parce que les gens sont pas capables de réfléchir. Mm. Putain, j'encaisse ta règle aussi à faire. Oh putain. En y repensant, du coup. Sur le voie, il y a quelqu'un qui montrait que vraiment tous les dialogues et autres de l'Archon Quest d'Amphoréou, je crois que ça s'appelle. Ça représente 55 heures. Et que du coup, ça fait quasiment la même durée que l'histoire même de Genshin. Sans compter bien sûr les World Quest. C'est insane. 55 heures pour une région. C'est insane. Ouais, faudrait que je la fasse un jour. En plus, là, ils sont bientôt finis, là. Ils sont bientôt en 4.0, là. Ce que j'ai compris. FF. Juste FF, en fait. Ah oui, du coup, il y aura aussi des trailers de personnages de Durin. Oh, j'ai hâte, ça. Vu comment ils étaient qualitatifs, celui de Nefer, de Flint et de Loma. Je me demande quand même s'il va se ressasser un peu, on aura un peu des flashbacks de Siblanca. Parce que déjà, juste ça, là, c'est la pierre de Miliastra, non? C'est celle qu'on a eue par une sorcière. Alice, il me semble. Et bien sûr, Natlan. « 29 000 personnes en attente, ça, c'est comme insane. Vraiment, Joyo 900. Bon, bah, ouais, je savais pas que c'était autant imposant en fait, Oyoverse, hein. C'est la troisième compagnie chinoise la plus importante là-bas, après Tencent et un autre truc. Putain, ils en ont fait du chemin, hein, bravo, hein. Franchement, GG. Et puis bon, en plus, qui dit nouveau jeu dit nouvelle création d'emplois, donc ils ont tout y gagné. Bon, on va couper la musique parce qu'il reste qu'une minute. Alors que soudainement, du cyrillique. C'est quoi ça? Ouais, d'accord, c'est une VTubeuse. D'ailleurs, est-ce que c'est intéressant parce que je sais que parfois je mets très rarement ma tête. Et genre que je mette un petit avatar en mode VTuber. Le seul truc que je trouve ça dommage, c'est que je trouve ça. Tu perds ce côté un peu humain, genre. Dans le sens où on voit pas véritablement tes expressions faciales et autres, c'est retranscrit par par ton avatar, mais on n'est pas non plus sur du clair-obscur, quoi. Ça va bientôt commencer. Ah, j'espère que je me suis pas pris. J'espère que je suis pas en retard. Oh putain. Oh là là. Plus que 1 minute nous sépare de l'acte de la Luna 3 de Genshin YouTube et le stream. Préparer mondes et merveilles à retrouver Durin qu'on a attendu depuis 5 ans ainsi que son gameplay. On va aussi voir des scènes drones, des Arlecchino, des Varka, des Scaramouches. Peut-être Scaramouche, une première transition pour qu'il apparaisse dans l'Archon Quest contre Dottore. On a hâte. On a hâte en tout cas ici, ça va poule Durin haut la main. Enfin, j'espère, en tout cas j'ai assez. Sinon ce sera pour Colomina. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh putain, c'est grand. La moon sera... Pourquoi j'ai pas fait ça, quel connard. Non merde. Oh, magnifique. Un festival à Notcry. Ah mais c'est vrai qu'elle est disponible maintenant du coup. Attends, c'est moi ou c'est pas fort? Oh putain. Bon, on va mettre comme ça. Hein. Ah marrant avec ses lunettes. Oh la lune est magnifique. Oh c'est beau.
Moon Prayer Night has come. Come on, Columbina. It's time to celebrate the best Moon Prayer Night ever.
Happy Moon Prayer.
Moon Prayer.
I have a message to deliver on Master Rhindotter's behalf.
Quoi?
My mother's dying wish was a book?
It is where the seeds of the story lie. Child,
What the fuck?
prove yourself.
Oh il est magnifique. Durin.
I'll show you what I can do.
Ok. Oh. Oh il est magnifique son ult. J'aime beaucoup. Oh la porte de Kenria. Oh. Ah ça c'était l'événement avec Albedo.
It is the Animal Archon's duty to intervene in times of need. As such, I, Barbados, will bring forth a wind strong enough to disperse
Hein?
whatever storm lies ahead.
Il a pris un buff,
I
c'est
look
ça?
forward to what questions you'll bring me upon our next meeting.
We must hunt enemies to purify the forest.
Ah ça sent l'apparition de Raid Daughter quand même avec tout ça. Hein. Ok donc du coup il y a la bise qui est en train d'envahir petit à petit.
Create yet another tragedy.
Oula.
We have used every last resource at our disposal. All that remains
C'est de quoi ça Kenria?
patiently
Oh Colomina.
and quietly.
I can already feel the moon calling to me. I saw one of those phantoms at Star Sand Shoal.
Star
It was
Sand
some
Shoal.
sort of flying ship.
Quoi? Oh.
Is born. We will surely know her name.
Ok nouveau
The
boss.
Harbingers for providing such valuable information.
You mean to defy
Oh.
one of the fundamental rules of this world? I'm afraid her intended method of returning
Oh.
to the moon is unlikely
Oh
to work
Lys.
anymore.
Putain c'est exactement.
Are you here?
Oh non Albedo. Hein.
The lights
Oh
stand at the
Nicole.
crossroads of fate.
Nom de Zeus. J'ai cru que moi, c'était juste une intermède. Putain on Oh il y a Alice, elle est magnifique. Putain, il y a tellement de choses. Événement Moon Prayer, Colomina qui porte disparu, Alice, Nicole, la vis qui envahit mon start. D'abord.
awesome co-hosts with me today.
Hey guys, I'm Sonia Kruger, the voice
Ah,
of
mais attends,
Hana
mais
from the
Alice et
Curatorium of
Nicole, elles sont
Secrets, and
magnifiques aussi,
Charlotte,
hein. Oh la
the
vache.
Hoda's witnesses.
Hey everyone, I'm Laurie Kinniston, the voice of Durin. I am very happy to be here today. I'm very excited for you guys to see
Ah,
what's
elle
coming
est-
up.
Oh,
Elle est clairement différente, sa voix du jeu.
I'm
hein.
Rachel Kimsey, the voice of Alice, coming to you not from a lamp, but from a chair, with the hat and bringing some magic.
Welcome! Oh
Pas
my
son
god,
design
so
Alice
excited
avec
we're
ce
all here.
chapeau. Magnifique.
Now, in version Luna 2, the Traveler and their Nodcry companions joined forces to take down the Rayhir of Solnari. So it seems like all is well in Nodcry, at least for now.
Plus, the Traveler and the Damselette managed to protect the Moon Marrow, so that is another major crisis averted. Now that things have settled, I wonder if
Ah,
the
c'était
Damselette
trop
can finally
bien, là,
fulfill her
le-
wish and return to the moon.
Yeah.
En plus, on a
I
vu
mean,
que
the moon is
Durin
her
commençait à
home
devenir
after
possédé
all.
aussi
Oh,
dès
I
qu'il
bet she
il
really
approchait de,
misses it, being gone for so long.
du Dos Dragon.
Well, in the upcoming version, she'll have that chance. Her return is set for when Kuvaki is at its peak on Moon Prayer Night, which also means travelers will get to go to their first festival in Nodcry.
Awesome,
Oh.
right?
Wow! Nasher Town looks all decked out with all the different stalls and decorations.
Ça a
Feels
l'air
so
trop mignon en tout
festive.
cas. hein.
Oh, and it looks like a lot of familiar faces will be there to celebrate.
Ah,
That's
Varka,
right.
bien sûr.
Our companions have banded together once again to make the Damselet's last night in Nodcry one she'll never forget. And of course, travelers are in for a treat too. There are tons of festivities to check out. There's even a special souvenir stamp book to make the occasion extra memorable.
Wait.
Oh,
I just
Alice.
saw Dodoko and Simulanka's origami decorations.
Barbaros.
Plus, there's this crystal ball. Is the Hexen Circle joining in on
What?
the celebration too?
Of course! With Tevat's primordial powers, the three moons, reappearing in Nodcry, the mages were bound to take notice. It seems I've managed to
Oh.
leave quite an indelible impression, even though you've never seen
Oh,
my
elle est
face.
tellement belle.
Ah, nothing could make a great mage more pleased with herself.
T'es une véritable elfe. hein.
Alice, it's really her.
I can't believe it.
Incroyable.
Me.
Oh,
Putain, elle est
wow.
magnifique.
This
Putain, elle est
must
grande.
be
hein.
one special festival then. But I wonder, for an important mage like Alice to make an appearance, she must be here for more than the festivities, right?
Uh-huh. True. Alice is bringing
Oh, elle est
two
tellement
important
belle.
pieces of intel with her. The
Oh.
first is related to one of her responsibilities in the Hexen Circle, maintaining the stability of the world's border. And
Border.
of course, as the devs mentioned before, Nodcry itself lies at the edge of Tevat. With the occurrence of a phenomenon known as the trilunar syzygy, the
C'est marrant qu'elle ait
border has
des yeux
become
différents des
less
autres.
stable. So Alice has
Oh.
made her way to Nodcry.
Okay, that explains it.
Plus, with the border being disturbed and the rising Kuvaki due to Moon Prayer Night, strange happenings have been seen throughout Nodcry, and the situation is getting worse.
C'est-à-dire que
That's
tu
right.
tu la
Things
trouves
like
très...
phantoms
très rapidement,
appearing
en fait,
and
Alice.
disappearing without a trace. Oh, and a spacecraft was even
Oh, mais
spotted
ça,
on the
what the
coast.
fuck.
What?
Wait, is that the wreckage from the Traveler's
Eh
spaceship?
ben oui, c'est notre
I've
spaceship, ça.
explored around here before, but I've never seen it.
That is why the border is so important. It blocks out a large amount of abyssal power from entering Tevat. But if something goes wrong and it becomes less stable, well...
The Abyss can start playing its tricks again.
Mhm.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Which is why the Traveler, Durin, and Wanderer have joined forces to get to the bottom of these
Scaramouche.
strange events.
Yep.
T'as les
They
trois
might
ensemble, ça
even
rappelle
discover
des
a
souvenirs
few
de Siblanca,
secrets
hein.
about these phantoms along the way.
Oh,
Huh.
wait. What about Alice's second piece of intel?
Ah, well, that has to do
Oh,
with
mais elle est
the arrival of
magnifique,
an
Nicole, aussi,
unexpected
hein.
friend.
Regardez-moi ses
Another
yeux.
mage of the Hexen Circle has made her way to Nodcry.
Et c'est elle d'ailleurs qui a défendu, je
Code
pense,
name N.
qui a défendu
Oh, I remember her.
l'île de I ici.
She's the one who told the Traveler about the prophecy during the Fontaine
Eh oui, c'est
Archon
Eugène, ouais.
quest. Oh, she definitely has that classic Hexen Circle mystique to her, but she's a bit more forthcoming with information at least.
Elle est tellement belle.
Huh. And it looks like she communicates without speaking.
Well, I mean, it's. Okay, it seems we've drifted into a relevant narrative.
Oh, regardez-moi
waters.
ses yeux. On dirait
Oh,
Kenria,
yeah.
mais...
Her words just kind of pop into your head somehow.
That's right. And
Scary.
much like the other mages, Nicole has her
Oui, parce
fair share of
qu'elle
secrets.
elle
so
pratique
there's
la
a lot for
télékinésie,
travelers to
Nicole,
uncover.
parce que
I
si elle
can't
parle,
believe
elle a
we're
mal à la
getting
gorge, un
two
truc comme ça.
mages in Nodcry at the same time. I feel like that means something major is on the horizon in the new version.
Bientôt 3, parce que techniquement, on a aussi parlé de Reign Daughter, comme quoi elle va
Be
réapparaître.
sure
Hein.
to check out the upcoming Archon quest to learn more. Oh, and don't forget, you can earn 500 Primo Gems by completing the Archon
Ah, bien
quest by
sûr.
a certain
Ah,
date.
c'est une Archon
All
Quest. ok.
right. I think it's about time for
C'est une
our
Archon
first
Quest pour
break.
mon stade, quoi.
Take a look at the first redemption code, travelers.
Enjoy!
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Woo.
Bye bye. Ah, bien sûr. Hop, je vous écris ça, bien sûr. Ah, bien sûr, hein, une musique celtique. Tout ce qu'on aime. Magnifique Columbina. Mais je me demande là, pourquoi elle est portée disparue. Parce que la lune l'appelle, mais... Putain, mais alors si elle meurt à la fin... Je chiale. Hein. Oh, elle est magnifique cette nouvelle musique là. Putain, les yeux de Nicole étaient vraiment splendides. Je pense que je pense que c'est les meilleurs yeux qu'on ait pu avoir dans le jeu. Ce mélange de couleurs jaune, bleu, doré, je sais pas quoi là.
Welcome back, travelers.
Woohoo!
Hi! Look where we are! It's like we've stepped into a fairy tale.
Ooh.
And speaking of, I'm sure everyone remembers
Ah,
Simulacra,
bien
right?
sûr, c'est
The
Blanca.
fairy tale world created by M, where we first met Mini Durin back when he wasn't so mini.
Oh, yeah. And then he received his friend's blessings, transformed into an adorable little dragon, and even ventured
Aw.
into the world beyond the storybook. I remember his fate in Simulanka was tied to the evil Durin on Dragonspine, which we knew would be revived one day and pose a huge threat to Tevat. I was so worried about Mini Durin back then.
Me
Bon,
too.
hein.
But luckily, in the version 5.6
Ah,
Mondstadt
c'était très cool la
interlude,
5.6.
Albedo pulled off a huge feat of alchemy for Durin.
C'est très sympa. Hein.
And that's how the Durin who fought alongside us in Nodcry came to be.
Wow. You know, looking back on it, Durin and the Traveler have already been through so much together.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was pretty shy at first, but after stepping into Tevat and even joining the fight against the Rayhair of Solnari, he's grown into quite the reliable companion.
Ah, Columbina.
Oh, I just realized, since we were so busy fighting Rare, we didn't get to hear what Durin's been up to since taking human
L'ult
form.
de Durin était
I
vraiment
want
trop
to know
stylé.
everything.
Yes.
Really?
Of course! I still remember Durin tapping into the abyssal power within him during the battle.
En plus, ce sera la première fois techniquement qu'on aura un personnage qui puise dans l'abyssal power pour pouvoir jouer.
Oof, definitely. It comes from the flesh and
Parce
blood of the
qu'Arlecchino,
dragon, after
techniquement,
all.
c'est Lune
His
écarlate.
dangerous aura still scares off small animals, even when he's trying to just be friends.
Poor
And of course, the last
pas
thing he
lui.
wants is to harm those around him. His goal is to use his power to help others as much as possible while assimilating into his new home.
Mais trop mignon.
Deep down, Durin is still the kind little dragon we met in Simulanka.
He is. And since his soul
Il est
originated
trop
from Mini
mignon.
Durin, in addition to the
Durin.
power of the abyss, he also possesses a power that comes from fairy tales.
What?
Whoa, wait,
Du
wait,
coup,
wait,
c'est la
so
création
he can
de
wield
M,
two
mais qu'il y
different
aura quand même
powers?
Reign Daughter qui va mettre
Right.
son nez
And
là-dedans.
because of that, he also has two distinct combat styles.
Ah, deux combats.
Yo, nice.
So, after
Wow.
casting his
Alors.
elemental skill, Durin can freely choose which power to use. So, if you tap his normal attack after unleashing his skill, Durin will enter the Denial of Darkness state and channel his aggressive side.
Wow.
Ok.
Using his elemental burst in this state will increase his own vaporize and melt reaction damage while periodically dealing pyro damage to a nearby enemy.
Oh, cool.
Now, if you
Mm.
tap his elemental skill
Oh.
again after casting it, Durin will instead enter the Confirmation
En
of
Purity.
Purity state, focusing more on supporting his companions. Using his
Ok, donc t'as un
elemental burst in
build
this
DPS ou un
state
build support que
will
tu peux faire avec
periodically deal
Durin.
damage to nearby enemies
Un
while
peu comme Overkill en
decreasing
quelque
their
sorte. Hein.
pyro resistance.
Ah ouais, c'est un peu ça. Hein.
He can also reduce certain elemental resistances by triggering corresponding reactions.
Dang,
Yeah,
cool.
it's a lot.
And it looks
Par contre,
like
son
his
ult est
elemental
magnifique. Hein.
burst animation changes depending on what state he's in. In the light state, it's like a painting, and the stars look like the ones in Simulanka. But in the dark
Ah,
state,
oh, ah, la
it's
référence
like the
Simulanka.
dragon's power takes over, and he's gearing up to annihilate his enemies.
Marrant.
Yeah, you know, the way he changes states
C'est vrai que
reminds
s'il
me
avait
of
pas
how
dit, j'aurais pas
Nilou
fait
changes
attention.
dance steps. It all really depends on what you do after using his elemental skill.
Which means his kit
T'as
can
très
be
cool. Hein.
adapted for multiple
Ah, ça peut
kinds
être
of
un bon
scenarios.
support DPS. Hein.
On one hand, he can fight against groups of enemies
Ah non,
while
je pense qu'il va pas
elemental
rivaliser
resistance
avec
for his party
Mavuka. Mais...
members. But on the other, he can target a single enemy and enhance his own damage output.
Whoa, super
Yeah.
flexible. I love that. I'm still curious about what his life as a human has been like, though.
Me too.
Based on what Albedo says, it seems like he's been trying
Oh, il
to
doit
get to
avoir
know
une,
his
une
new
histoire de
home
fou en
as much as
infinité
possible.
d'urine.
Yeah, and in the upcoming
Putain, je suis
version,
intrigué par le
travelers will
livre
get to help
que
Durin
Reign Daughter
do
lui
just
a donné
that,
là.
along with the Wanderer and all of his other friends in Mondstadt. So there will be tons of opportunities to get to know him better. Don't worry.
Oh,
Yay,
that's
Mondstadt!
awesome. I'm so
Woo.
excited.
And just for a little added intrigue, I have another piece of exclusive intel,
Oh.
which is that Alice ends up telling Durin about M's
Oh.
dying wish.
Whoa, his mom's dying wish?
That's right. In the ensuing story, both Alice and Mona's master B
B.
will be making an appearance.
Ah ouais,
so Durin's in for
Barbaros.
quite the experience.
Oh my gosh.
If you want the
Putain,
whole
mais
story,
voir
be sure to
Alice,
check
c'est
out the quest,
insane. Hein.
Draco Rubedo
Je pensais
Chapter
qu'on
Act
l'aurait
1,
vu
The Magic
Luna
Moon
4.
Storytelling.
Oh, this quest
Il
is
faut
a
qu'on
bit
la voit
different
Luna
from
3.
traditional story quests.
Bon, après,
With
Durin, c'est
tons of
normal.
unique gameplay elements and spaces you can visit multiple times. There's even a few hidden Easter eggs, so keep an eye out.
Oh.
And complete it within the time limit to earn pretty much
Donc, bien
every
sûr,
enhancement materials for Durin.
That's not all though. There's another special reward in store for completing this quest.
Oh.
Durin looks
Oh,
different,
des camps
almost
plus
like
grandes.
he's
Et son
glistening
cœur
somehow.
aussi qui change.
It's pretty
Putain, c'est trop
cool,
stylé.
right?
Yeah.
There's also a new boss travelers can challenge in Nodcry.
Très très stylé.
The super heavy land cruiser mechanized fortress.
Whoa.
What the
Yeah,
fuck.
you defeat it to earn level up materials for Durin.
Oh,
Là, on a eu
this
beaucoup
must
de
be a
boss
Platoon
d'affilée en si peu de temps.
creation.
On a un nouveau boss pour Nefer,
And
on a un
it
nouveau boss
looks
pour
like it's got
Durin.
some serious firepower.
Bah, je vais dire tant mieux, mais...
Yeah, so be careful, travelers.
Il a l'air d'être
Alright,
relou lui à faire.
That's about all we have for Durin, but before we wrap this part up, let's take a quick look at his combat skills one more time.
Enjoy.
Ah, bien
Each day
sûr.
is a new page in my story. I want to savor every scene, every footnote, before I turn to the next one.
Trop mignon.
Get back! Leave it to me!
Bah, c'est son ult, ouais, son ult là, je le trouve trop stylé. Et avec le dragon derrière là. Parce que là, il a fait qu'en forme support du coup. Ah là, c'est forme agressive. Ouais, avec le dragon derrière. Et paf, la grosse explosion. Très très cool.
Wow, that's insane.
Oh, les lamas.
So cool.
Okay, now that we've had a moment to admire our magnificent Durin, it's time to introduce our next new character, Venti! Yay!
Putain, elle est trop dans son rôle, elle adore le jeu. Hein.
This is version Luna 3. Wasn't Venti released like a lifetime ago?
Yeah. It's been 1,000 years, but just wait until you see his brand new combat skills.
Ah oui, voilà, donc il a
Okay, so,
nouveau spell.
tap his elemental skill to summon a storm zone, and
Il a
hold
pris un
it to
buff,
summon
bien
a
sûr.
larger storm zone that allows Venti to soar
Ok.
high up in the air using the power of the wind. With his elemental burst, Venti creates a storm eye in front of him that pulls in enemies and deals
Oh, Venti pourra
continuous
enfin être
damage.
joué, telle est la question.
Right. But none of this is Well, new information?
I know, okay, gosh, I was just giving a recap. Okay, this is the new part. If the active character triggers a swirl reaction while Stormeye is active, their damage and Stormeye's damage will be increased for a certain period of time. In addition, Venti's normal attacks are
Ah, j'ai
converted
l'impression qu'il fait que des attaques chargées.
arrows that pierce through enemies in their path, dealing anemo damage and extending Stormeye's duration.
C'est stylé ça en vrai. Hein.
Oh, so his burst changes his normal attack too. That's so cool.
Oh, that's awesome.
Putain.
Wait,
Il
I
devient
don't
enfin
think
quelque
I've
chose,
seen that
Venti.
weapon before either. Oh, but it's got a bunch of Cecilias on it. It definitely looks perfect for Venti.
Yep. So that's it. Moving on.
Whoa. Hold on, just one
Le
second.
pauvre. Eh
Venti
oui.
has new abilities now. What's going on?
Okay.
Come on.
What's going on is that Venti decided to recover some of the power he had hidden away.
Ah.
He might act like a carefree, alcohol-obsessed bard most of the time,
That's what
but
he is.
that doesn't mean he hasn't been paying attention to the changes happening across Tevat. And as a god with close ties to the Hexenzirkel, he can sense a new threat on the horizon. One that has the potential to endanger not just Mondstadt, but the whole world.
Wow.
And so, in order to face this impending crisis, he felt it was time to reclaim his hidden power.
That's right. And to do that, Venti and the Traveler will
Ah,
need to
c'était la
venture to
quête
a place
entre
that
le
might look familiar.
l'archon du vent et le dieu du temps.
By time.
I've been there. This is such a throwback. I mean,
Pardon.
I still remember that line. Seeds of stories brought by
Pardon.
the wind and cultivated by time.
Ah, je me rappelle de celui-là.
Oh, that was foreshadowing all along? Oh, it's like everything's coming in full circle. Dang.
True. But with a few added twists, of course.
Of course, I'm listening.
Mondstadt and the Hexenzirkel share a deep connection. The mages
Which
even signed an
homework?
agreement with Grandmaster Varka to protect Mondstadt in its time of need.
Ah.
In fact, the mages had a hand in the events we just mentioned between the Traveler and Venti. It all started with Alice and something called the Little Witch's Dictionary, filled with a series of tasks the Traveler is asked to pass along to certain companions.
Oh.
Wait, so does that mean the tasks were designed by the mages of the Hexenzirkel?
That's right. And after
Oh.
completing their task, these companions will become Hexerai characters.
Quoi, tu peux en avoir un
When at least
gratos?
2 Hexerai characters are in the party, the
Ah, ok.
combination triggers the Hexerai
fait peur.
Secret Right effect.
Tu peux jouer deux
enhancing the
personnes
party's
parmi
combat
ce qui te
capabilities.
sélectionne eux.
In fact, the changes we just introduced for Venti are the Hexerai Secret Right effect at work, triggered by 2 Hexerai characters. In this case,
Oh.
Durin and Venti being in the same team.
Oh.
Ah, I get
Ok.
it.
Along with Durin and Venti, additional Mondstadt characters have their own tasks to complete.
Oh, il y a
courtesy
Ressort en
of the
plus.
Hexenzirkel, so travelers can look forward to adventures with several familiar companions.
Yep. Plus, after completing the intro quest from the Witch's Dictionary, travelers will have the chance to invite Razor, Sucrose, or Fischl to their lineup.
Ah, nice.
Oh, look at all those familiar faces.
Right?
I know, memories!
Which means
Sucrose.
after
Moi, j'ai
completing
bien
their
aimé
designated
l'histoire de
task,
Razor quand même.
these characters can all trigger the Hexerai Secret Right effect to gain new
Oh.
combat abilities.
What?
Whoa, so does everyone have a different task?
Yes, the tasks are tailored to the companions, so it could be anything from an intense combat encounter to a relaxing outing. For example,
Oh.
Klee's task is to help her adorable Dodoko companion. Once she
Aw.
completes
Aw.
it and is paired with another Hexerai character, her normal attack will automatically trigger a charged attack as a coordinated maneuver.
Ah, c'est marrant,
Plus,
donc vraiment.
travelers can look forward to an optimization in the new version that makes her normal and charged attack.
En fait, ils
a
ont tous
lot
gagné un buff
smoother.
techniquement. Hein.
Each Hexerai character will gain their own special
c'est cool.
abilities after completing their task. For example, when Albedo's Solar Isotoma creates a transient blossom after hitting an enemy, It will also generate a silver isotoma, which will no longer be destroyed by monster attacks and can unleash attacks just like the solar isotoma.
Ok, c'est le buff d'Albedo, ça.
So that should make it much easier to have one of his flowers on the field without gaps in time, right?
That's right.
Là, j'ai pas Albedo, je suis tellement deg.
Fischl can now
Il est
provide
pas
two
revenu
different
depuis.
team
Hein.
buffs depending on whether your party is overload and electrocharged focused or lunar charged focused.
What?
Plus,
Oh.
Razor's elemental control will be enhanced, allowing his overflow electro sigils to deal additional damage and regenerate energy.
Eh ben, c'est des bons buffs, hein. C'est bien, ça va ramener d'anciens personnages à la vie.
Abilities will only trigger when at least 2 Hexarai characters are in the party, okay?
Yes.
Of course, the changes from the Hexarai secret rite effect, as well as the adventures to unlock them, go far beyond what we've covered here. So be sure to check them out in game.
Wow. These characters have been with us for 5 years.
Bah oui,
but
c'est
now
bien.
It's like,
Oh my gosh.
it's like we get to see them in a new light, you know? It's almost like they're growing right alongside us.
Aww.
Yeah. Aw. Plus, the power of the mages can affect fate, so be on the lookout for changes to these characters.
Les pouvoirs des mages peuvent
constellations as well.
affecter le destin.
You
Putain,
know
c'est nous, en
me,
fait.
I'm always down for new adventures with our old friends.
Me too.
Oh, don't call
Super
us old.
exciting.
All right, let's dive into the upcoming event wishes.
Yes.
In the first half of Luna 3,
Bah oui, Durin,
we'll have
Venti, bien
event
sûr.
wishes for Venti and Durin, plus a new 5-star sword, Athame Artis, and a new 5-star bow, the Daybreak Chronicles, will be featured on the weapon banner.
Oh, je pense pas que je prendrais son arme à Durin.
And
Je prendrais
the
celle que
one,
j'ai eue
the
à
only new
Dragon's Pain.
4-star character, Yahoda, will also be available on the first half banners.
Yahoda.
Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. We didn't forget to introduce her. That is
Ah,
coming
bien
up
sûr.
next.
Yes,
And
definitely.
during the second half of version
Oh!
Luna 3, we'll have
Varessa et
returning event
Shilonen.
wishes for Varessa and Shilonen.
Woohoo!
Travelers will also get the chance to reunite with familiar Natland characters in these
Ah.
version's events. But more on that later. For now,
Ok,
check out the second
intéressant.
redemption code while we take a short break.
On va pouvoir retrouver des personnages de Natlan dans l'événement. Dragon 1, 2, 0, 3. Bah, c'est cool pour l'instant. Hein. Tiens, je suis encore choqué qu'on voit Durin et Nicole déjà, mais. Ah, mais cette musique. Dans mes veines. Hein. Hop. Mais putain intéressant, mais putain je suis encore aussi genre de ce que j'ai compris c'est Reindotter qui donne un livre à Durin pour on ne sait quelle raison et que j'ai entendu que je vais apparaître dans pas longtemps.
Welcome back, travelers. It's time to introduce the most skilled, well-connected,
Ah bien sûr.
amazingly talented information broker in all of Nodcry. His assistant,
Les assistants.
Oh my gosh, Yehoda is such a walking meme. Her in-game expressions are so hilarious.
Yeah, you know, I feel like that's the first thing people think of when it comes to her. I mean, the fan memes have been so good. I'm obsessed. I
Right?
reply to all of them. Those are all me. But even though Yehoda ends up in, well, let's just say awkward situations a lot, she really tries her best to be a good employee of the Curatorium of Secrets. I mean, she can get in a little over her head when facing difficult commissions, but she always comes through in the end. I mean, meme expressions aside, just think about all she's
C'est vrai que du coup comme
accomplished
j'ai
with
pas
the
Nefer
Traveler
autant
in the
avoir
main
Yoda.
story.
Après c'est une 4 star donc du coup
Oh,
je
yeah.
parle quand même.
I mean, yeah, they met the Moon Goddess, infiltrated the Fatui's Design Bureau, and even confronted one of the 5 sinners.
Yup, that's
that
my
should give
girl.
Yehoda a confidence boost. yeah.
Wait, I wanted to ask though, what's the deal with her mechanical arm?
Oh, Aino made that for her. I mean, there's a whole story
Okay.
behind it, but I think I'll let Yehoda herself explain that
What the fuck?
in-game. Wink, wink.
Oh, okay.
Secrets. Yep. In any case,
C'est un
that's all in the
tournevis, son
past
doigt.
now. In her own words, earn well, eat well. That's my motto these days.
Well, now that she has Boss Neff to look out for her and she can pet Ashru whenever she wants, sounds like her job's not a bad
Oh, elle peut caresser le chat de
Of
Nefer.
course, in the intelligence
C'est
business,
Gauthier déjà.
a certain amount of danger comes with the territory.
Ooh.
But that's where her experience as a former treasure hoarder comes in. As an Animo vision wielder, she's super agile in combat. With her elemental skill, she dashes towards enemies, and after striking them, she can absorb the elements applied to them to fill her purloined treasure flask. Of course, if she accidentally misses her target, she might get a little upset.
Okay, that's so cool. After hitting enemies with her
Ça, c'est
elemental
rigolo,
skill,
ça, quand
she
même.
puts on her goggles when she sprints.
I love those goggles.
I love that so much. She's so cute. Okay, but
Ils ont vraiment
back to the
ils ont
treasure
montré mon
flask.
personnage de
What
merde,
happens when
c'est
it's full?
mignon.
Okay, well, Yehoda throws it at her enemies, dealing Animo damage. Plus, if your team reaches Ascendant Gleam, the treasure flask will periodically consume the elements within, dealing corresponding elemental damage to enemies.
Ooh.
So cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. She takes what she collects and throws it right back at her enemies. I love that resourcefulness.
Me
She's so
too.
good.
Well, if there's one thing my girl has, it's survival skills. Travelers have seen that for themselves, so she definitely knows how to be there for her
Survival
clients in a
skills.
pinch. Also, Yehoda's elemental burst deals Animo damage and summons a personal coordinated assistance robot that continuously restores HP to the active character. And get this,
Ok.
if the active character's HP is above a certain threshold, the robot will also heal the party member with the lowest HP.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's a healer too.
Oh,
That's super useful. I'm like so bad with healers. This
Oh.
is very helpful to me.
Girl, no, she's insane. And
Après, je t'avoue qu'en healer,
if the
quand t'as
team
Furina,
reaches
tu te
Ascendant
dispenses
Gleam,
clairement de toute
the
autre
robot
personne.
will also absorb
Ou
elements from
Beizou.
surrounding enemies and
Ou
convert
Cheaty
them
C6,
into
bien
cat
sûr.
claws that deal corresponding elemental damage at intervals.
Amazing.
Nice.
With both healing and elemental application abilities, Yehoda seems like a real team player.
Oh, yeah, for sure. My girl is definitely something incredible. I mean, close teamwork is essential for someone in her line of work. Her
That's
cat
true.
claws will even receive corresponding enhancements based on the most prevalent elemental type in your party, making her team coordination even tighter.
Oh
And
my gosh.
and we're not done.
C'est quoi
As a
ça?
member of the Curatorium of Secrets, Yehoda possesses similar investigation abilities to Nefer, Boss Neff, as she would say. Of course,
Ah,
in
ok, elle a
some
la même
Curatorium
habilité que
exclusive
Nefer.
interactions,
C'est cool ça.
she might react in her own special way.
So their investigation abilities are similar but not identical, right?
No. There are some differences, but travelers can experiment with that in game. So get ready.
I just want to
dun.
see Yehoda open that mysterious chest in the Curatorium of Secrets. Just,
Oh my gosh,
just
yes.
imagine her reaction.
You know
It's gonna
what?
be so good.
You know what? That might be something worth trying in game, travelers.
Oh.
Again,
Oh.
wink, wink.
Okay. All right. Now that we've introduced Yehoda,
Oh,
let's
yeah.
dive into the
Là, ça fait
version
plaisir quand même
Luna 3
que-
events.
Heck yeah.
Oh, genre Soul Blazer,
First up
Snowboard.
is Soul Blazer's
Snowbound.
Snowbound Journey, where travelers will make a much anticipated return to Dragonspine to participate
On va
in a
revenir en
relay
Atlantis,
race
c'est
on the
ça?
mountain.
Oh, so it's like a winter sports event.
Yep.
Those
The
environmental
Dragonspine
conditions look
International
tough,
Cross
though.
Country
Even cheering
Challenge.
on the sideline seems
Ah,
like
c'est un bon
struggle.
stat même.
Definitely. And for that reason, the race is attracting challenge seekers from far and wide. Varessa and Shilonen have even made the trip from Natlan to participate.
You know what?
Wow.
I'm not surprised Varessa decided to join. I mean, she's got a competitor's spirit, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
and is it true that this event has some connection to a certain comic series from Yai Publishing House?
What?
Huh? Is the race comic book themed or something?
No.
C'est le truc à
But
Inazuma,
there's a
ça, non?
long-running series from
Je sais
Yai
plus.
Publishing House called The Soul Blazer Saga about a group of brave warriors with a passion for justice. And a group
Oh,
of dedicated
intéressant.
fans decided to form a team and join in the competition.
Oh, like a fan club.
Mhm.
That's so fun.
C'est mignon.
The competition is comprised of teams
Mais
from
c'est grand, en
various
fait.
regions, with each member responsible for a leg of the race. But
Oh,
before the
intéressant.
teams can get racing, they'll need to complete the training program.
Oh, yeah. In conditions like these,
Oh,
I
bah.
feel like preparation is key.
For
Uh-huh.
sure. Travelers might run into some
Oula.
familiar companions during their training as well.
All right, talk us through it, coach.
Oh, trop mignon les
This
bonhommes
first
de neige.
training minigame is a revival of a co-op classic. Not Wind Trace
Mais
this
c'est
time,
un-
but Snow Trace.
C'est un
Travelers will
pro
look forward
punt.
to the traditional hide-and-seek gameplay as
Mm.
well as a few added challenges.
Man, you know, I didn't expect this to be part of the training.
Oh, the Dragonspite environment gives it a whole
C'est trop
new
mignon.
vibe.
J'ai pas joué au pro la première
The
fois, il y
cold
avait
will test
celui-là.
the rebels' endurance, and the snowmen
Et c'est
scattered
vrai qu'il faut
around
que je
the
le
area
fasse.
should keep the hunters on their toes.
I'll
Oh,
say.
and it looks like sudden snowstorms might make the situation even more unpredictable.
Ah putain, il y a même des
Plus,
blizzards.
certain
hein.
familiar companions will compete alongside the
Intéressant.
rebels, transforming into snowmen with unique characteristics and hiding somewhere on the map.
Après, t'as juste
So,
à
keep an
camper
eye
un
out,
biome, non?
hunters, because catching them will earn you extra points.
That
Ooh.
makes me even more excited for the challenge. It
Oh, le
looks
bonhomme
like
de neige.
maybe this time, quick thinking and even quicker reflexes are more important
Oh.
than ever.
It does.
Yep.
Ah oui, intéressant.
Next up is the Frontier Recon
C'est quoi?
minigame, where travelers can transform into Sori
What the
Sori
fuck?
scouts and take test flights on different aerial courses.
Il a trop stylé lui
collecting
aussi, c'est un
coins
Mario
while
Kart-like.
familiarizing themselves with the race locations.
But be sure to
Okay.
watch out for obstacles and small traps along the course.
Mm-hmm. And if you feel the need to work out some
Il est marrant
pretty
cet
competition
événement là,
moves,
j'aime bien.
launch some
Ça
snowballs
change.
in the Jade
Oh,
pitching minigame.
non, mais c'est vraiment
The
Mario
different
Party. Hein.
snowmen each
Il y avait
have
ça
different
aussi.
effects and benefits.
Fait le
Leverage
Gauthier, quoi.
them to reach the target even faster.
Oh, il peut
Of
spammer.
course, a training regimen isn't complete without a little
Hein?
intense physical activity. In a trial of valor, travelers will need to
Ah, le truc en coop,
configure
bien sûr.
different battle souls to help their team
Ooh.
defeat enemies and clear the stage objective.
Nice.
Battle souls not only provide powerful
Ah,
combat
du coup, il va être bien
buffs,
Venti ici vu
but
qu'il a
they
été
also
buff.
enhance your ability to earn points, allowing you to net an even higher score.
Oh,
We love that.
man, I am so ready. Woo!
In addition, participating in the various training activities and stages of the competition will allow you to accumulate Blazing Spirit. And after reaching a certain
Okay.
amount, you can claim various rewards, including the 4-star weapon, Rainbow Serpent's Rainbow, and its refinement materials.
A rainbow. Oh, that name is amazing.
It's super fun. And plus, with the comic book element, I feel like travelers will really get to channel their inner hero.
Yes, for sure. And speaking of, this next event actually takes us back to the land of heroes, Natland. And it's another familiar one this time. Does everyone remember Bing Bang Finchball?
Oh, I do.
Bing,
I do.
bing.
Yes. I feel like every time this event comes back, it gets totally
C'est pas, attends, c'est pas le truc
revamped.
de Curly ça?
Uh-huh.
Je témoigne
And
de mort de
let's not
merde.
forget the slogan. Finches are
The
The
Yep.
They're so cute
and
round off.
The game of Finchball has made its way to the Collective of Plenty in Natland, and as always, a new iteration means
Oh, je sais plus c'est
few
quoi,
riffs on the
le Bing
original
Bang.
gameplay. This time, travelers will need to control
Ah,
the
c'est ça,
paddles
c'est.
on
Oh non,
both
c'est
sides
pas,
of the
pas, c'est pas
table
curling,
to
c'est
send
genre
the ball
paintball, un truc
gliding
comme
in the
ça.
right direction. Angle and timing are key.
Putain, j'ai jamais joué à
Ricochet off the
celui-là. Hein.
walls or ram straight into opponents
Ça a l'air
to
trop
defeat
drôle.
them and earn points. You can also make use of
Ça, c'est le
search
mini-jeu du
techniques to
Gauthier,
make
ça, hein.
things even more interesting and earn an even higher score.
Whoa, okay, this really is a whole
Ça, c'est
new
ces genres de jeux, par
It
exemple,
looks
tu peux
super fun.
tellement le faire en coop.
It does. I feel like the devs
Tu fais un petit jeu coop comme ça sur l'interlude, là, enfin sur Miliastra.
Okay, all right. Let's move on to a
Encore un
Saurian
événement,
focused
bébé.
event. Heroic Clash Saurian Brawl.
Oh, looks like it's time for travelers to put their Saurian maneuvering
Tant mieux, tant
skills to
mieux.
the test.
That's right. This is a co-op event where travelers will need to indwell different Saurians and leverage their abilities to collect trial coins scattered around the arena. The more coins, the more points.
I love rewards, and collecting points also means. What did I just say? Rewards are in store. So
Aïe, aïe, aïe. Ah, bah oui.
don't miss out, travelers. And now, okay, I know our journey has taken us pretty far from Mondstadt, but get this. There is a certain old friend who used to provide us with intel, and he's making his return in version Luna 3. Any guesses?
Luna 3.
Oh, wait. Could it be?
Oh, le retour.
Lieben!
Putain, le retour. Parce que lui aussi, c'était la première fois qu'on avait entendu parler de notre craille aussi. Incroyable. C'est un peu Noël, ça, quand il est
And
là.
that's right, Lieben is back, and this time he's bringing us information on a new region of Mondstadt.
Oh my
Nice.
gosh, a new region
Comment
of
ça?
Mondstadt.
Comment ça?
Oh, Lieben, you've been gone too long.
Nouvelle région de Mondstadt.
Travelers can
Après,
also
c'est vrai
head to
que
Silver
techniquement,
Moon
on avait
Hall for
parlé
more
comme quoi que
interactions with the
Mondstadt avait une nouvelle
Damselette and
région
the
qui avait...
Kuhenki.
Et c'était le port de Mondstadt, puisque c'est celui qui amène à Ashnejnaya.
And even show off their mixology skills for Columbina. So cute.
Aw, cute. It feels like we're growing closer and closer to them throughout these interactions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In addition, travelers can look forward to some significant
Oh, nice.
updates to
Oh,
repertoire
Skirk,
of
bah,
Myriad
voilà.
melodies.
Ooh.
First, a custom performance mode is being added. In this mode, you can customize the difficulty of official and self-made scores to give yourself an added level of challenge.
Whoa, that looks
Nice.
so hard.
I'm not great at this type of game.
Me neither. It's okay, girl.
Oh man, but I'm gonna do my best. Plus, Repertoire of Myriad Melodies co-op mode is launching in the new version, so travelers can team up with each other for a simultaneous performance and compete for rankings
Je
based
suis
on their
tellement
scores.
nul à ça.
You can
Genre,
finally
quoi, il y a,
jam
il y a
out with your
3
friends.
notes
So be
qui
sure to check
commencent à aller
Oh,
sur une touche
definitely.
différente. Je suis
And
foutu.
in addition, envisage
Oh!
those challenges for
Tout le monde en a
Albedo
une.
are being
Putain.
added in the new version. Can you get that?
Oh, cute.
Oh, trop mignon.
Please, Echo looks like a four-leaf clover. Oh, and Albedo's looks like a solar isotoma. Super cool.
There will also be some new additions
Oh.
to Genius Invocation TCG, including 2 character cards, a monster card, and multiple action cards.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Travelers will have the chance to add
Nice.
Escoffier, Gomming, and the Black Serpent Knight Rockbreaker's Axe to their decks.
Version Luna 3 also has other optimizations in store, including improvements to the character lists, filtering, and sorting functions. Relevant
Okay.
information will be displayed more clearly, so it should be easier to track down the characters you're searching for.
Oh, toutes les C6 sont...
In addition, the devs have increased the amount of reputation experience
Oh,
for
c'est
Natlan
bien
and
ça.
other nations, which should make it quicker to obtain those rewards for travelers who
Qu'est-ce
haven't
que
gotten
c'est
around to it.
Oh, wow.
Plus, there's a small
Ah ouais, putain.
change when it comes to claiming rewards from daily commissions. After consuming encounter points,
Okay.
travelers can now directly claim the commission rewards from Catherine, including the 60 Primo Gems.
Oh.
Gems.
Nice.
Oh putain.
All right, it's time for our last
Nice.
break. We'll be back with a few updates for Miliastra Wonderland, as well as some out-of-game news. See you on the other side.
Bye.
See ya.
Oh! Ah bah oui, ça c'est clairement du... Comment il s'appelle ce jeu Miliastra là? J'ai pas beaucoup joué à Miliastra finalement. J'ai pas vu les créations des gens et tout. Peu dommage. Go. Craft speed. Non, craft quoi? Ah oui, people. Hmm. Une nouvelle map hivernale du coup. Ah, quand le trailer animé, bien sûr. Je pense que le trailer animé, on l'aura quand il y aura Snezhnaya. T'as Snezhnaya, hein. Déjà que notre crush, je trouve que c'est un banger absolu. Alors,
Welcome back, travelers! Let's jump right into some new content from Miliastra Wonderland, coming in version Luna 3.
Yay!
A new component sharing platform can now be accessed through Editing Tool, which means you can freely upload your in-game creations to the platform and download the creations of other players.
Ah, okay, so it's basically a tool for sharing and obtaining resources. Huh, nice. Now you can add each other's creations to your
tu peux
own
créer tes propres
Wonderlands.
ressources et du coup les
That's
partager aux
right.
autres, c'est ça?
Plus, if a bunch of craftspeople download and like your creation, it even has a chance to be discovered by more craftspeople, increasing its
Ouais, t'as un truc de
exposure to
wishlist,
the
un peu comme Steam.
That is awesome! Now that Miliastra Wonderland has been live for almost an
Donc,
entire
plus tu mets de
version,
j'aime et de listes
cool
d'attente, enfin de
craftspeople have the
listes de
opportunity
souhaits,
to
bah,
create
plus
a
tu
Wonderland
auras
of
de
their
visibilité
own
sur le
or
jeu.
immerse themselves in what other people have
Plutôt cool
created.
aussi pour les
Yeah.
petits
Whatever the case,
créateurs
the whole team behind Miliastra
qui
Wonderland is
sont
working
pourtant
hard to expand the content
qui ont
bit by
pourtant
bit
moult talent.
so that craftspeople have even more
Ça
to
peut aider
enjoy.
à faire moult
That's
créations en
right.
plus.
Miliastra Wonderland is also adding new cosmetics in the upcoming version. Let's take a quick look.
Ouais, j'ai vu là un truc hivernal. Ah, c'est beau. Hein. Ah, avec le petit. Bien sûr, je n'achèterai pas un seul skin, hein, par contre, sur ce mode de jeu. Par contre, je le trouve très très beau le garçon. Putain. Très majestueux. Hein. Oh, il peut changer de couleur. Trop stylé. Ah, trop mignon. Ah. Kenshin Miliastra Wonderland.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! And the main hall looks so magical! It's a total winter wonderland. I'm obsessed.
Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good. A Miliastra Wonderland Winter Wonderland.
Wait, that kind of rhymes. I like it.
Yeah.
Not only that, though, during version Luna 3, there are also rich rewards waiting to be claimed in Miliastra Wonderland. In short, travelers can receive 10
1600.
pulls for the event Ode banner and 10
Nice.
pulls for the standard Ode banner by playing Miliastra Wonderland, which can be used to obtain various cosmetics. Other rewards for playing in version Luna 3 include fun actions, cosmetics, and expressions.
Wow. So be sure to check it out if you're interested, craftspeople. All right, that's it for the in-game content, but there's still a piece of out-of-game news. A new collab is coming our way. Ahem. Paimon received a mysterious letter from an unknown source, and it left her trembling. Oh no! Apparently, she couldn't even finish her usual helping of sweet Madame.
Whoa, whoa, wait.
Damn.
Paimon, of all people, lost her appetite? Okay,
know.
what did the letter even say? I don't... Oh my gosh.
Hey Paimon, good news. Quoi? Le 6 décembre?
And
Là, j'ai pas lu.
unimaginable punishment. Wow, just hearing that sends chills down my spine.
It's not good.
C'est pas terrifiant en
But
tout cas, c'est
as
fou.
long as the traveler's around, there's no challenge we can't overcome. Plus, the
True.
greater the risk, the greater the reward, right? Oh, I love rewards,
yeah.
and I bet some major surprises are in store.
For sure. I guess that's all the info we have on this collab for now.
Aw.
But it looks like all will be revealed on December 6th. So be sure to check out Genshin Impact's official accounts when the time comes.
Oh my gosh,
I'll
I'm
be
so
there.
curious.
Woohoo!
Well, you guys, oh, that was our last piece of news.
Aïe aïe aïe.
So it's time for the Luna 3 special program to come to an end.
Après, il y a eu beaucoup de choses quand même. On a eu pas mal d'événements, pas mal d'histoires.
Oh my gosh,
On a
I'm
Durin
so
aussi, après
excited for
tellement
Yehoda
d'années.
to finally come out. I love my girl so much. She's my baby. I'm so blessed
Hein?
to be able to be in this game and pour my love and soul into the character. You know, I've been playing Genshin since it basically came out, so this is my comfort game, something I spend so much time doing. So I'm just so happy and excited to be able to
Oh la goat, ça y est, elle
finally
déclare
be
son
here
amour.
and especially play such an amazing character like Yehoda. Thank you guys so much.
That's
Aw.
so nice. I love that. Yeah, I can't wait for everybody to meet and hang out with Durin. He has been so much fun to play and for me to get to know. We've had a great time recording for you guys, so I think you're going to really love him. And I think I'm really proud of the story quest with the mom's dying wish. I think it's really touching, and I think you guys are going to love it. So have fun, and I'll see you soon.
And I mean, I guess that's the theme, right? I'm so excited after all this time for Alice to have a face and get to interact with you one-on-one instead of, you know, just through
C'est
a
vrai que
gramophone or a light post. And it's thrilling to be able to be a part of it. As for gameplay, I am really excited about Milliaster Wonderland. I'm a maker. I
c'est
love
vrai que
making things.
Alice,
I love seeing what people
techniquement, en
make. I
fait,
feel
elle
like
adore son
it
jeu parce
creates
que
such
pour
a
elle, c'est un peu
cool
son,
community
son,
to
sa
be able
vie
to
réelle.
share that between us.
Genre
So
ce
I'm really
côté où elle
excited
doit
to see
parler
what people do.
comme une maman envers
Oh my
Klee,
gosh,
par
I'm
exemple,
so
ou une interaction
excited for all
comme.
three of you with your
Du coup, elles
characters.
peuvent transitionner le transitionner puisqu'elle aussi, elle est maman avec une petite fille. Donc du coup, ça la touche vraiment à chaque fois qu'elle puisse interpréter son personnage dans Genshin. C'est très cool.
And I'm also really excited about Snow Trace because Wind Trace is my
Le Snow Trace, ça a l'air trop rigolo.
annual
Hein.
event. I always come back immediately and play just constant Wind Trace every single year. So I'm bad at it, but I love it. So I'm excited.
Same girl.
All right, as always, thank you so much for tuning in, travelers.
merci à vous.
And we hope you have a
Thank you.
blast with all the amazing content
Thank you.
version Luna 3 has to offer.
Après, à chaque fois que je stream,
All
je
that's left to
tousse.
say is
Je suis allergique au stream en fait.
See you in game.
C'était la question.
Have fun. Bye.
Bye bye. Hein. Ah donc voilà, bien sûr, on va voir hein. L'event Twitch d'Albedo, c'est le 3 décembre, pour celles et ceux qui veulent. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Ah oui, c'est pour avoir une constatation si vous faites vos quêtes journalières. Hop. Ok. Bon, ça, on a beaucoup de choses en décembre. C'est beau. Ouais, je présume que c'est fini. Hop, on recharge. Ouais, c'est fini. Ok. Bah, c'est cool, hein. Il y a quand même pas mal de choses. Je sais pas ce que vous en avez pensé, vous, YouTube et le stream. Moi, j'ai plutôt bien aimé. Franchement, je trouve qu'il y a eu pas mal de petits teasings entre le nouvel événement du coup qu'on a pour la première fois, le Mood Prayer à notre Cry. Suite à ça, on a ce Durin obtenant un livre de Reindottir et qu'on entend du coup à Reindottir par la même occasion où ça a l'air d'avoir un impact sur lui. Donc du coup la Durin il essaye de faire en sorte de prouver à Albedo qu'il est fort ou quelque chose comme ça. Tu as du coup la première apparition aussi de Alice et de Nicole, ce qui est vraiment fabuleux. Je trouve qu'Alice est merveilleuse, mais que Nicole, ses yeux sont d'une beauté affolante. J'adore les yeux de Nicole. Ça fait un peu Kenderia, mais version fée, vous voyez. Un peu la reine des fées, n'est-ce pas? De Kenderia. Qu'est-ce qu'on a d'autre? Oui, du coup, on a aussi la première vue de Scaramouche à notre Cry parlant à Arlecchino et Sandro, en supposant bien sûr qu'il veut savoir où se trouve Dottore. Et puis du coup, voilà, beaucoup d'événements comme le truc de course là, qui était assez cool, le Pro Punt aussi qui est revenu, le sort de paintball ou je sais pas quoi là. Que tu as sur la Game Boy. Très très cool. Hâte de faire toutes ces choses-là. Bon, Milliastra, un nouveau skin. Mais aussi, nouveau skin, mais également nouvelle chose pour les créateurs et créatrices de mini-jeux. Vous pouvez du coup partager une simple création d'une chaise ou même d'une tente pour que les autres puissent l'avoir également et ainsi du coup décupler cette cette chier de jeux mis en œuvre. En tout cas, j'espère que ça vous a plu. Je vous fais des bisous YouTube. N'hésitez pas à mettre un commentaire bien sûr de ce que vous en avez pensé. Ciao ciao.